Dude,
Can I tell a story?
yeah,
Can I
that's what
turn
this
off
is about.
the kids. Go away.
Oh Lord.
I think
So
they're
we were
long
on
gone.
the plane.
Yeah.
We were on the plane, and I forgot I had my iPad on porn.
Oh
my
shut
God.
So me and Hen Dog, and
Come
there's this old
on.
lady sitting next
Oh
to
my
us.
God!
No.
Did you flip that on?
Oh boy,
Oh.
sounding off.
No,
It's like,
shut up.
I couldn't get off. At that time, I'm on 2 Xanax, rum and coke. I couldn't get the volume down. Oh my God.
Do you remember that?
Yeah, see,
I didn't hear that story.
I
don't
never-
deny it,
So
Hen
what
Dog.
Yeah.
What did Granny say?
Oh boy. She said, "Can I have? Excuse me, can I have another seat?"
No, she did not.
Your boy's
say
getting
that.
busy over here.
Chewy used to love. I hate turbulence. You guys
Oh,
know.
yeah.
You guys
Oh,
know
I
I hate
love that.
turbulence, and nothing would make Chewy happier than because we flew. I think there was 17 flights that we flew on for that series, and Chewy loved every bump we hit.
Shut
Oh,
up.
I loved it. I
Dude,
loved it.
we flew
Because of what it did to him.
Yeah, because
yeah.
oh yeah.
Oh, okay, okay.
Yeah,
Instigating thing.
we were flying from Perth to Alice Springs, and remember the storm? We flew through a storm, and it was like a roller coaster the first like 45 minutes. And he was laughing. I mean,
Oh, I
he's looking
loved
at
it.
me every time we hit a huge bump. He'd look over and he'd just hysterically laugh. You know, he just loved it.
I
you
loved
know?
it. I love life. But let me tell you about that porn thing.
Oh,
I called my AT&T rep. I said, "What can I do about this?" It's advanced history. Advanced history. So if you own an iPad, you got to go to advanced history and delete that shit before you get on a plane next to Hen Dog.
I would
Blasting
love, I
out.
would have
Grandma.
loved, I would
And
have
Grandma.
loved, I would have loved to hear that phone call with your AT&T rep.
Oh, it was bad.
Dude, you can just Google it. You don't gotta talk to nobody.
He's like, hey, just between
Excuse
me and
me.
you, you know.
So,
Yeah.
so what do I
Yeah.
do when the porn won't stop?
But okay, kids, turn off the thing again.
Oh shit.
But
Oh God.
let me tell you a personal Chewy story. I
No.
took a dick pic and sent it to my wife,
What the fuck?
and I got stuck on my dad's computer,
No.
and I couldn't get it off. I had to call AT&T. Oh man,
Again?
worst day of my life.
Why is that so
AT&T has his number.
Or whatever
and they
it is,
send
T-Mobile,
it to
yeah.
a special guy.
They're like, "You again?"
I literally
I
didn't
really
know
did.
they had this service. at
No, they do.
AT&T, man.
Because we've never had
It's called if you get a dick pic stuck on a computer. On your dad's computer. I really did. I lived next to my dad, and I got stuck on the computer. Dad, I love
Oh my God. Did you get it
Wow.
off? Did he see it?
Yeah, AT&T helped me through
Okay,
it. Damn, I just told you.
I tell you what, AT&T's
history.
got some
They are a
really
great company.
good
Yeah.
service.
So
I
I'm
tell
sponsored
you
by
what.
AT&T, Jack Daniels.
That's some
Man.
hella customer
Jesus
service.
Christ.
Yeah, that is good customer service.
I really do.